Here is a quick video to demonstrate the brief. So at this web address here, here is a sample map. So at the moment I'm putting two fingers onto my trackpad and zooming out and zooming in by two fingering, gesturing up and gesturing down. Also, I'm going to now, with my fingers, pinch gesture, and you can see that it's zooming out and zooming in. So this is on a Mac trackpad. This is where my developer, he does not have a Mac trackpad. He has tried BrowserStack, which is a browser or Mac OS testing environment software, and it doesn't work. It really needs to be an actual Mac trackpad to test with. So if you don't have one, please don't apply for this job. And then in my website, scenicgems.com/demo, I will now gesture with two fingers scrolling, so up and down, nothing is happening. I can pan the map. Now I'm going to pinch zoom the map, and pinch zooming does work. He's managed to get that to work, but if I now pan, which I'm doing now, the map is not moving. So it seems to lock out the pan once the pinch gestures are used. If I click on a zoom button, I then get the, oh, I thought I did before, I got the pan functions back, but there we go. So yeah, I got the pan, eventually got the pan functions back, but then once again, if I pinch zoom, I lose the pan functions. So that's essentially the brief. That's what I need, and let me know if you feel you can do this. Thank you. Cheers.